I travel constantly, and if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I'm always sharing new travel gear. Today, I'm sharing 12 carry-on gadgets I've personally tested on real trips and would pack again without hesitation. You'll find all the links in the description. Let's jump into the first one. The brilliantly designed magnetic airplane phone holder from Hogentum lets you mount your phone almost anywhere. Its flexible aluminum core bends into virtually any shape, so you can hang it from airplane seat backs, tray tables, luggage handles, or hotel furniture. Powerful N52 magnets keep your phone locked in place, preventing wobble even during turbulence. It works with MagSafe iPhones right out of the box and includes a magnetic ring for other phones. Best of all, it's incredibly thin. When folded, it's barely thicker than a card, so it slips unnoticed into your pocket or laptop sleeve. Long flights can destroy your neck, especially if you're stuck in a middle seat with nowhere to lean. That's where the Travel Rest Travel Neck Pillow comes in. Unlike the typical U-shaped pillows everyone drags through airports, this one supports your entire upper body. Its unique design wraps across your torso like a messenger bag, creating genuine side support for your head and neck. Instead of waking up every 15 minutes with neck pain, your head stays comfortably supported while you sleep. It inflates in a few breaths and packs down small enough to vanish into your carry-on. For middle seat flyers with nowhere to lean, it's basically survival gear. Looking for a backpack that carries your entire travel life? Meet the Baines Travel Backpack, built for airports, commuters, and digital travelers. Its key feature is a TSA-approved smart lock that secures the main compartment and protects your tech in crowded places. Inside, there are dedicated pockets for your laptop, tablet, chargers, accessories, and other daily essentials. An external USB charging port lets you plug in your own power bank inside and charge your phone from the outside while you're on the move without opening the bag. Even with its focus on security, the backpack stays comfortable thanks to breathable back padding and a luggage strap that easily attaches to your rolling suitcase. Our fourth travel gadget is the Basis Portable Charger, and it's my top pick. Incredibly thin yet powerful, it delivers up to 100 watts, so it can charge full-size laptops, tablets, gaming handhelds, cameras, and phones with ease. With 4 ports, including dual USB-C, you can charge multiple devices at once. A digital display shows exact battery levels and real-time charging speeds, turning your carry-on into a portable charging station. The 20,000 milliamp capacity keeps your devices going through long flights, layovers, and full travel days. Its flat design slips into a laptop sleeve or backpack without adding bulk. It is honestly a lifesaver. Most wallets are bulky, uncomfortable, and terrible for travel. The Proof wallet changes that with a completely reimagined design. Built from top-grain leather and aerospace-grade aluminum, it feels like premium travel gear that every man should own. The slim front pocket design keeps everything compact, while still holding up to 25 cards and a stack of cash without becoming a brick in your pocket. Its signature pull strap system instantly fans out your cards with a single pull for fast access at airports, hotels, or checkout counters. RFID blocking protection is there, and despite the rugged metal construction, it still looks clean and professional, which works perfectly for everyday use. Are you still using that old toiletry bag? It's time to upgrade to the Whoosh toiletry bag, one of the smartest travel designs I've seen in a long time. Instead of tossing everything into a single cluttered compartment, it uses a 3-zone layout to keep large bottles, grooming tools, and smaller essentials neatly organized. The bag opens 180 degrees for instant at-a-glance access to everything. Magnetic pockets replace noisy zippers, so grabbing what you need is quick and smooth. The star feature, a detachable magnetic shower board you can pop out for security checks or snap into hotel showers to keep gear off dirty, wet surfaces and protect the rest of your luggage from leaks. Finding safe drinking water while traveling can be difficult, which is why the LifeStraw Go water bottle is a must-have on my travel gadget list. It features a powerful 2-stage filtration system that removes bacteria, parasites, chlorine, odors, and other contaminants from questionable water sources. Whether you're filling up from a hotel sink, airport fountain, hostel tap, or an outdoor stream, this bottle makes the water much safer to drink. With a filter that lasts for thousands of liters, you can skip constantly buying expensive plastic water bottles during your trip. Compact and practical, it's easily one of the smartest items you can pack. Ever watched an airplane window become your own mini storage station? That's exactly what the Beveridge Airplane Window Organization Station delivers. This clever gadget slides directly into the airplane window shade track, instantly creating extra space beside your seat for your phone, drink, earbuds, glasses, snacks, and other small essentials. Instead of piling everything onto a cramped tray table, the station keeps your items organized and within reach, giving you more room to work, eat, or simply relax during the flight. When you're done, its lightweight design folds completely flat, so it tucks neatly into your backpack or carry-on without wasting space. Crowded airports and tourist-heavy cities can put your valuables at risk, so discreet security gear like the Ritex Money Belt is essential. Worn under your clothing, it keeps your items hidden while staying comfortable all day long. It fits passports, cash, cards, travel documents, and even smartphones, yet remains nearly invisible under a shirt or hoodie. The waterproof nylon and breathable mesh backing keep you comfortable on hot days and long walking tours, while RFID blocking protection helps prevent digital skimming of cards and passports. If anything goes wrong during your trip, you'll be thankful you brought this hidden money belt. If you've ever had to sit on your suitcase just to get it closed, the Zonama Vacuum Storage Bag Set is for you. Using the included air pump, it compresses your clothes dramatically, effectively creating extra luggage space. Bulky items like jackets, hoodies, and sweaters suddenly take up far less room, leaving more space for gadgets, shoes, or souvenirs on the return trip. The bags themselves feel durable and airtight, thanks to strong double zippers that help prevent leaks over time. The semi-clear design is a plus. You can easily see what's inside without opening every bag. For overpackers or anyone looking to maximize carry-on capacity, this system is incredibly practical. One gadget you should always consider packing for your trips is a pair of AI smart glasses. They look like ordinary glasses at first, but inside is a surprisingly advanced device loaded with useful features. A built-in 8-megapixel camera records stabilized 1080p POV video, completely hands-free, so you can capture your travels without constantly pulling out your phone. The standout feature, though, is the integrated AI assistant powered by ChatGPT. It can recognize objects, answer your questions, and translate over 139 languages in real time, especially helpful when you're navigating new cities or trying to read unfamiliar signs and menus. The last carry-on gadget on my list might actually be the most useful, the Yanzi USB adapter kit. This tiny emergency tech kit is designed for travelers who are tired of dealing with tangled cables and bulky chargers. Inside its compact, pocket-sized case, you'll find a USB-C cable plus adapters for USB-A, Lightning, and micro USB, making it compatible with almost every device you travel with. Whether you're charging your phone, transferring files, or connecting older gadgets, this kit has you covered. It also works as a phone stand and offers storage for SIM cards, TF cards, and a SIM ejector tool, perfect for international trips. And that's it. 12 carry-on travel gadgets worth packing in mid-2026. All the links are in the description below. And if you want to see some foldable travel gadgets, check out the next video.